Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to dive into a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for a cozy night in, beef stroganoff. So, let's get started. Beef stroganoff is a classic Russian dish that has been adapted and loved by many around the world. It's a rich and creamy dish with tender beef, savory mushrooms, and a touch of sour cream. To make this delicious dish, you'll need 1.5 pounds of beef sirloin cut into 1/2-inch strips, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt minus 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 medium onion chopped to 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced, 1/2 cup of beef broth, 1/2 cup of sour cream minus 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika minus 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon minus 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper minus 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now, let's get cooking. First, mix the flour, salt, black pepper, and ground cloves in a large bowl. Add the beef strips and toss to coat. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the beef and cook until browned on all sides about 5 minutes. Transfer the beef to a plate, reduce the heat to medium, and add the onion and mushrooms to the skillet. Cook until the onion is softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in the beef broth, sour cream, lemon juice, paprika, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, allspice, black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, and sugar. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes. Add the beef back to the skillet and cook for another 5 minutes. Serve over egg noodles or rice and enjoy. That's it for today's recipe, folks. I hope you enjoy this hearty and flavorful beef stroganoff as much as I do. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for joining me and happy cooking.